it's basically a team championship. There are 24 teams. The teams have been broken up into 4 groups. Each group has got 6 teams. So in the first phase, which is a round robin phase, in each group, the 6 teams are going to play against each other. And the top 2 teams that emerge from each group then go into the knockout stages. So in the knockout stages, pretty much like a tennis tournament, you have beat the other team, then you move to the semi-finals, and then you get to the finals. 4-ball, better ball match play, team championship, and eventual winner is the champion team. But to make it interesting, there's also a lot of individual prizes which have been woven into the format, which are skills-based, which are performance-based. Also for the player who's won his maximum prizes, there's a prize for the best junior, and elements like that which are also acknowledging individual performance.
DGC League, it has been extremely popular. This year we are having about 24 teams and 450 players.
The prime objective of the Delhi Golf Club, as I have been repeatedly emphasizing, is the promotion of golf. In fact, Indian golf. That's why the location of a golf league at the DGC is extremely relevant. As all of you might be aware, we do take our golfing legacy very seriously and with a lot of responsibility. That's why our Camp of Excellence and student membership programs, training in excess of 50 talented children, are receiving impressive targeted funding. Many of the team mentors and captains present here are in fact our top coaches too, and they're all working hard and focused toward producing champions. As you're all aware, golf leagues have become very popular in most major golf clubs in India. Mostly the objective is developing golfing talent, improving internal member integration, developing camaraderie and close community bonding both through golfing and enhanced social gatherings. Plus, participation in the league enables our members to play competitive golf as a team, which experience most of us would never otherwise have. When this league was commissioned in 2021, we expected it to be a reasonable success. However, the league has grown by leaps and bounds, surpassing all expectations.
Yes, like Diggy sir said, I mean, it's amazing to see, all the members of the club coming together for this league, and year on year, we've seen the level of golf improve. People actually want to play so much better now because they want to start contributing toward the team. So they're not only working in the 3 months prior to the league, but 1 year before the league starts, every year you can see people actually improving their game. And I see this now from the other side as well, because I'm coaching, and people come and they want lessons, and it's amazing to see the standard of golf sort of improve at the club. So that's one of the things. And the youngsters, like Diggy sir said, it's amazing for them to be a part of this entire league and be part of the team, to understand how competitive golf actually works, and they get a taste of what they are going to face in the future. And for someone like me to help them out, it's a pleasure. It's fantastic to sort of share knowledge with them, which they would never otherwise get, or they would never have access to. Even while they're playing, we are allowed to go and talk to them as captains of the team, and guide them on how to play and what to do, what to think in what situations.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. So I mentored the DGC League for a team 2 years in a row. I think it was a great experience. I had a lot of fun. I met a lot of new people. To see the whole club come together as a whole for the first time, I think it was an awesome thing, because everyone normally plays their own games and stuff. So to see the club be one was awesome. So now this is the first year I'm going to be playing as an amateur. So I'm going to be participating in a team. Looking forward to that. I don't have to do the mentorship work anymore as such. Now I just have to go around playing my game. So that's a little more exciting for me, because I like to play that mentor. So I'm looking forward to this season where I hope we win.
There are lots of ladies playing in this tournament, and it's compulsory for each team to have a lady. And to encourage the ladies, we have a broad spectrum of ladies, the higher handicaps, the little older group, the younger group, the juniors. So for them to get, otherwise most often the ladies have their own competitions, play among themselves. So it's a great opportunity for the ladies to start playing with other members, and for me also basically, it was very refreshing to play with a lot of new people, and you play with opponents you probably never even seen or met or whatever. So this league brings a lot of fun and competitiveness.